Welcome back to What's New in ActivePresenter 10 series. Generating AI images from several models has never stopped being a hot trend, and ActivePresenter does not miss out on it. Since version 10, you can generate images quickly from several trending AI models like this in just a few clicks. Before you try, notice that you will need to own a paid license to unlock this feature. So, go to the description box now, download the app, and purchase the suitable edition with your needs. As you already know from our previous video, ActivePresenter relies on AI services to provide features like image generation. Each time you generate an image using a different AI model, the system consumes a different number of AI credits. So, make sure you know how many AI credits you're gonna consume before generating an image, or keep track of your uses in the AI tab here. Coming to the detailed steps to create. After launching ActivePresenter and opening a project, first, access the AI tab. Click Image Generation to open the dialog. Here, you can customize the providers, adjust image style, model, and aspect ratio. Finally, click Generate to quickly see the result. Optionally, you can choose to enhance the prompt or not. Each time costs you a credit. Then, you can save the prompt using the plus icon here to reuse it many times later. Click the edit icon to continue editing it, or the delete icon to delete this prompt. A notice is that you need an active internet connection to generate AI images since the AI engine runs in the cloud. You now know how to generate an AI image in ActivePresenter. Subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon to not miss the upcoming tutorials and videos from us. Bye!